So we start with exercise 2.2. Look into your book, page number 24. What is given in question number 1? It is divide the following. Okay, so now 1a. Divide the following. What is the question? 1 by 7 divided by 2. So 1 by 7 divided by 2. So we always know that when we don't have anything, when it's a fraction and we don't have anything, we consider it to be as 1. Right? So what we will do here, it is 1 by 7 into 1 by 2. Right? So now what is your answer? Your answer is 1 by 14. Right? Next we come to number B. What is there in number B? 6 divided by 3 by 6 divided by 3 by 7. Okay. So it is 6 into 7 by 3. When it is divide and we multiply it, it will become reverse. Okay. So 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14. Right. Next number C. Number C is 9 divided by 3 by 4. Okay, so it is 9 into 4 by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Right? So this is your answer. Next, number D. Number D is 3 divided by 2 by 21. 3 divided by 2 by 21. So it is 3 into 21 by 2. Right, now we cannot do any kind of cancellation, so we have to multiply. So 21 into 3 is how much? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 by 2. So now we will convert it into mixed fraction. When we convert it into mixed fraction, what it comes? 2 3s are 6. Here 3 by 2. So what is your answer? Your answer is 3 by, it will not be 3, it will be here, it will not be 3 by 2 because 2 1s are 2. So 1, so 31, 1 by 2. So what is the answer? It is 31, 1 by 2. Okay. So this is the answer. Next we come to question number E. What is given there in question number E? In question number E it is given 2 4 by 7 divided by 8. 2 4 by 7 divided by 8. So first we have to convert the mixed fraction into regular fraction. So 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 by 7 into 1 by 8. Right? So 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. So how much we got? We got 9 by 7, 7 4s are 28. Right? Next we come to number F. What is given there in number F? Number F is given as 3 6 by 7 divided by 3. Right? So we convert this mixed fraction into regular fraction. 7 3s are 21 plus 6 is 20. 7 by 7 into 1 by 3. So 3 9s are 27. So how much we get? We get the answer 9 by 7. So there are two more sums, question number G and question number F. GH. These two will be for your homework. Right? For your homework and for your practice. You will practice this on your own. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Next we come to question number 2. So what is given there in question number 2? In question number 2 it is given divide. Okay. So the first one is 5 by 5 by 9 divided by 10 by 27. Okay. Now like the previous one, the first fraction will remain the same. We put a multiply sign, we reverse it. So 27 goes up and 10 comes down. So 5 2s are 10. 9 3s are 27. So what is your answer? Your answer is 3 by 2. Right? Number B. Number B is what? 14 by 25. 14 by 25 divided by 2 by 5. Right? So now again same. The first fraction remains the same. The second fraction, here we add a multiply and we convert. We don't convert, we reverse it. 5 goes up, 2 comes down. So 5 5s are 25, 2 sevens are 14. So what is your answer? Your answer is 7 by 5. Right? Next we come to number C. What is there in number C? Number C is 12 by 17. 12 by 17 divided by 3 by 4. Okay, again first fraction remains the same, into 4 by 3. So 3 4s are 12. So 4 4s are how much? 16 by 17 is your answer. Next we come to number D. Number D is 5 by 17 divided by 4 by 51. Okay, so now we have to convert it into regular fraction. So 17 6 are, let us do 17 into 6 is how much? 7 5 is 35, 7 6 are 42. Carry 4. 6 1 is 6, 7 8 9 10. 102. 102 plus 5 is 107 by 17 into 51 goes up and 4 comes down. Right? So what is the answer? Answer that we get? We get here. Okay, now we have to see whether it is being cancelled or not. Right? So when we do it, we see that 17 in the table of 17, we get 17 3s are 51. Right? So we get 17 3s are 51 here, and we multiply. 7 3s are 21, carry 2, 3 1s are 3 by 4. Right? So now it is in mixed fraction, we have to convert, it is in irregular fraction, we have to convert it into mixed fraction. Now how do we do it? We have to divide. Right? So we have to divide it. 321 divided by 4. So 321 divided by 4 is how much? 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, 4 7 is 28, 4 8 is 32. 1 comes down, we take a 0 here. So what is the answer? Your answer is 81 by 4 is your answer. Okay. Now in question number 2, the remaining two questions, that is question number E and question number F, is for your homework and for your practice. You should practice it. If you are not being able to do, you should ask me. I will again solve it and give it to you. Right? Next we come to question number 3. So what is there given in question number 3? Question number 3 is simplify. So what is the first one? The first one is 3 by 8 divided by, open bracket, 4 by 7 plus 3 by 7. So now here 3 by 8 remains the same. First we have to solve the one which is within the bracket. So here I take LCM as 7. So it will be 4 plus 3. So 3 by 8 divided by 4 plus 3 is how much? 7 by 7. Right? So now here 3 by 8 into 7 by 7. You don't have to reverse it. It's the same number. So 7 and 7 gets cancelled. Answer is 3 by 8. Right? So this is your answer for question number 3A. Next we come to number B. So what is there given in number B? Number B, it is given 6 by 7 into 6 by 7 into 5 by 9 divided by 15 by 27. Okay, it's very simple. 6 by 7 and 5 by 9 remains the same. We put a multiply sign here, we reverse it. 27 goes up, 15 comes down. So now we do the cancellation. 9 3s are 27, we know. 5 3s are 15. So 3 and 3 gets cancelled. What is your answer? Your answer is 6 by 7. Isn't it easy? Yes. So now next is number C. 13 by 4 into 3 by 26 into 5 by 9. So here there is no division sign. We just have to do the cancellation and get the answer. So in the table of 13 we get 13 2s are 26. Right? 3 3s are 9. Right? So what did we get the answer? Answer is 5 by 4 2s are 8. 8 your 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. Right? So this is your answer. right? Next we come to number D. So what is given there in number D? Look into your book. Question number 3D. What is given there? 2 by 3 into 6 by 11 into 22 by 15. Right? So we will do cancellation. 11 twos are 22. 3 twos are 6. How much we got? We got 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 by 15 is your answer. So here you have question number E and F. E and F will be for your homework and practice. You should practice it on your own. Then only you will be able to understand whether you have understood the exercise or not. Right? If you don't practice, you will not be able to do it. Right? So next we come to question number 4.